What is up, guys? I am back with another video. I haven't posted in 2 weeks because there's been nothing going on. Boy, can you not? Just rip it out. But today we're doing my rear seat delete. We're making custom stuff. Like I'm gonna go to Home Depot, get plywood, and then go to Michael's or Walgreens to get the fabric because it's gonna be like $3. And then yeah, so this is gonna be part one. We're just gonna be getting materials and pulling everything out. And then part two will be me installing it and all that. So let's get into it, mate. But we already took the bottom of the seat out. That side was already unclipped, but this side I had to unclip real quick with a screwdriver. And now we're gonna do the back seats, or like the back of the seat. You said it's like what, 10s?
Yeah, it looks like a 10. Everything's a 10.
I think it is. No. Honda Civic. Yeah.
And wire clippers to clip all the zip ties off.
I wonder how much this stuff's gonna weigh. Cause yours is like what, 27 pounds?
Yeah. That was just the Civic, which is like.
That was the rear seat and like the
bottom is flat.
Yeah.
Well, the back of the seats is really where all the weight is. Like the
yeah.
bottoms.
No, yeah, no, cause it's foam. Yeah, the back is metal.
Yeah. The back part's where like the framing and everything is, so it's gonna be where the most of the
So I guess we're going to figure that out.
Well, it just looks like it's just 10s at the bottom, and then it should pop out.
Let's go get this out then. Then should I take the seatbelts out too?
You know, honestly, they look cleaner like that.
Yeah.
Where's your?
I could just tuck them away.
Pens in here?
I hate working in the back seat because there's no room. So we discovered to take it out and like it's all loose, so the frame goes up and around. And we're just gonna take the frame out. That way you can get us more room to take the seats out, because there's a bolt right here on the side. That's kind of small, so yeah. And they look like they're all 10s.
Well, this looks kind of like a 14.
Well, on the side, yeah, but
It's fat.
I'm talking about
Oh, yeah,
for the frame.
I don't know if that's a 10. It's
Nope,
small.
that's not a frame.
It's way smaller.
That's not it.
Wait,
Well, I'll go.
8?
Yeah. No, it's like
Yeah, it's an 8.
smaller.
It's an 8. Why? It says 8 on it.
Is this connected to the frame now? Like, is that actually connected? This part might be connected, but if it's connected to the tabs, then we can just put the tabs back on. So I'm not too worried about that. So yeah, this is gonna be fun. Look at my amp, it's falling off. I'm gonna have to fix that, which I probably will do. So yeah, this comes out. Yeah. Oh, what was that? What just fell? Some sort of like clip thing just fell out.
Oh,
Okay, but that stays in. No, it was something else. We were wrong. We were wrong about that. Well,
that side moves. So it looks like
yeah, no, yeah, look at this whole side moves.
It's because you took that bolt out at the bottom.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Here, lift the seats back up. These came out. Or this came out.
Oh, okay.
But you want to continue taking these out, and then we can just see what happens.
See where it goes.
16 with a ratchet. Does it work?
Yep.
Hey, all right. You want to do that side, and I'll do the other side.
Okay. I'm off with it.
No, we did find the. Okay, I
Just take this off.
that wasn't coming out, and I didn't. Oh, that's what broke off. It was a clip.
Yeah, but it just comes out with these 3 bolts.
It was like it wasn't moving, and I was like, all right, whatever.
All right.
Huh?
That's
all right.
so much better than breaking my finger on it.
What size is it though? Where'd you put it?
I got it.
Oh, you got okay.
Bet you it's 10.
Bet.
10. Yeah.
Dude, I was gonna start putting these ones back in too. Good thing I didn't.
Yeah, fuck. That would have sucked. Just.
Hopefully the frame just pops out because there's like no more bolts on it.
Yeah. Well, it was just being held up by the top, remember?
Yeah. Huh.
Don't want to scratch your paint in here.
Oh. Shucks. Don't scratch it. Don't scratch the paint, man.
Shucks, don't scratch the paint on your drip car.
Yeah. Wait, no, don't say that. I haven't said anything about that yet.
Edit that out. Just bleep it.
Oh, nice.
I'll be like on the beep. Like, hey, don't talk about that.
Stop it.
The beep, beep, beep. There you go.
Alright.
Now check it, watch. This whole bitch is gonna come off. Yep.
Alright, wait. My cords.
Oh yeah, that's yank all your cords out.
Okay.
Look
So
what you did. Here, I can undo these.
yeah, I was gonna say we can just undo these real quick. We're gonna have to pull the power cord, so I'm gonna have to pull the battery.
Oh yeah, pop the hood. Before we
Cause last time I did that, I had sparks.
Before we electrocute ourselves.
Yeah. Yep. Oh my god. Dude, yeah. Alright, whole back seat is out. Got the frame. That was actually kind of heavy.
Yeah.
Like not like I was struggling, but like it had weight. Oh my god.
And now it looks like a rat's nest.
You know what I could do? I could just take the bolts that are up here and just put the wood up there.
Yeah. Well, hey, we can put that other piece back in here.
I'm gonna go grab that. Hold on. Alright, so I measured this part and it weighs 6.8 pounds. And now I gotta do this. Can you help me with this part? Because I don't want to like press it on, but I just want to have it on enough. 25 pounds. 25.6, and then that one was 6.8.
Yeah.
So that's over 30 pounds. Weight reduction.
Where do I put this? Just over here.
Just set it down. Keep the leather clean though, just in case I sell it.
Yeah. No.
Alright, well, now we're gonna go to Home Depot. And then some fabric places. Feel the 30-pound difference. Did you feel it? Alright, so I got the wood cut out. We got a few extra pieces just in case. Only cost me $11 from Home Depot. And it fits in my Mustang. Look at that stance. It's slam, boy. Alright, so we got all the wood and got the fabric right here. Like I said, the wood cost me like, what? It cost like $10, $11?
For the wood, it was like 11 something.
These are both $11. So, and that's like 2 yards, and it's like 44 by like 70, or 72 by 44. And the biggest piece here is 40 inches. So we should be fine on that. So next video, you guys will see me putting this all together and making my back seat look nice. And we just took out 30 pounds, which isn't really a big deal. But here's the big news. Nick's new car.